Why is it that some square body truck doors close easy, but most close like this? Like this. Try harder, my friend. Cause is the often overlooked striker bolt. I picked one up at AutoZone for $13, but saw them available in pairs at Amazon for the same price. Link below. This plastic sleeve gets old and brittle and will eventually break off, causing the door latch to not work properly. Some people will recreate this sleeve using tape, but that's just not a long-term solution. Pay attention to how many washer spacers there are as they ensure correct alignment. Mine have been painted and required extra encouragement to fit the T50 Torx bit. Reuse the original washers as needed to achieve the original spacing and line up the washers to the original location for correct alignment. The new bolt goes in with a 3/8 hex bit. Slowly close the door and watch to make sure everything is correctly spaced and centered. Now, the door closes like a new truck.